Hey guys, today we gonna talk about firewall and how it works. So, first of all, what is a firewall? As the name suggests, it's a wall that simply protects the house from burnout. But in computer security, it's a hardware or software that protect the internal network from unauthorized access. Firewall divide a network into two categories. One is a trusted network and another one is an untrusted network. A trusted network is your local area network or LAN, and the untrusted network is Internet or WAN. So, any malicious packet coming from the untrusted network will be blocked by the firewall. So, firewall basically provides three functionality. Number one is URL filtering. The firewall has a policy about what is allowed and what is not. The firewall allows some websites and some not, depends upon the policy. Number two is data loss prevention or DLP. It makes sure that no sensitive information like social security number or credit cards details leave the network. Number three is intrusion prevention system or IPS. This basically means to prevent the virus or malicious content from entering the network and alert the network administrator about it. The firewall come in two forms. One is host-based and another one is a network-based firewall. So, host-based one is a type of firewall that protects the one computer from malicious software or malware. An example is Microsoft Windows Firewall. The other one is a network-based firewall. It operates at the network layer and place between public network, usually internet, and private network. Unlike a host-based firewall, it protects the entire network based upon configuration rules. Now, some organizations require you to have both types of the firewall to ensure that even if the malware breach the network-based firewall, the host-based one will prevent it to spread. That's all for now. Thank you for watching this video.